Oh, there's stuff falling out of your basket. Josie, Josie. Can I have a hug?
No.
Why?
Run back.
Because you're running back. You better pick up all your stuff. Josie, guess what I have in this hand? Guess what I have in this hand? What do I have in this hand? Josie, what do I have in this hand? Do you not care?
No.
Okay. Fine. Thanks for picking up your toys. Thank you. You gonna say you're welcome? Oh, okay.